So welcome to our channel. So today we are going to solve very simple TryHackMe CTF called a Linux logging SOC. Linux logging for SOC. Okay, so let's begin. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video for the cybersecurity stuff. Okay, so let's start. So here, as you can understand from the name, it is mainly for the SOC people. So let's go. We will start here. So here are our credentials that we don't need because in the machine itself we have given the access to the system. Okay, so let's go start with the task number 1. So and also I will skip the part which is unnecessary for this particular lab where if I took the lot of time. So let's go to the questions directly. So here is the question number 1. Question number 1 is very simple. Use the var/log-syslog file to VM to answer the questions. Okay, what is kernel message and which server domain? Okay, so let's start. Here we go. What we'll do, as you know, we are going to use this simple command called the grep. Why we are using grep is because grep is a very powerful systematic tool which is used for finding the patterns. Okay, so what we need is a time server. Okay, so you know what is time server. Time server is NTP. Very simple. Then what we will do, we'll come here, we will copy this. Let's copy, come here, paste this. Here we go. Let's go now. Okay, now we'll check. Okay, here we go. I think we have found it. ntp.udp. We will copy, come here, paste. Now let's check. Okay, so here we go. Yes, we are right. Then second is what is the kernel message from Yama. Very simple one. Come here again. What we will do, we will just change this to Yama. As I told you, these are very simple one, but don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so let's go. So what is the message? The message is very simple. Yama is becoming a mindful. It should be a right answer. Let's check. Okay, got it. Becoming mindful is the right answer. Come here, then paste, give the dot. Here we go. Now we will come to next one. Okay, see, before that we will cut it out. And as I told you, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. So here we go. What we need to find is authentication logs. So the first and often the most useful log file you want to monitor is auth.log or the log/secure. Okay, so here is given authentication events example. Okay, first what we'll do, we will come to here, continue with the VM and use authentication file. Okay, so here what we need, which IP address failed to log in multiple user SSH. Okay, as I told you, we are using the grep one, cat. Okay, so I think this is the one that we will be using. As you can see that it is accepted fail. Okay, and we also need the filter ones. What we'll do, just give this one /enter. Okay, I think we have got it from 97. We will check. Okay, come here, we will just log in, then paste. Now check. Okay, not this one. Then what we'll do, let's see other. Okay, okay, so these are the accepted one. I didn't check. Okay, so failed, we got it. Yes, we got it. This is the one. Okay, sorry for the error. Here we go. Yes, we go. Which user was created and added to sudo group? There are miscellaneous events. Okay, login and logout events. So I think what you need to do, here the command is not given. Okay, so we will create it for ourselves. Come here. Okay, not this, but what we'll need to do, we just need to change our basic one. Okay, grep /e, and then what we want, what you want. Okay, oh sorry, typo here, user add /user mod. I hope we get this time. Okay, not a slash, because we want any of these. Now let's check. Okay, here we go. Okay, user added 51 user xnest to group sudo. Okay, so I think we have got the answer. Control shift, here we go, we come here, then just paste it. We are good to go. Then now task number 4 is common Linux logs. Before that, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So now here are generic system logs that are for kern.log, kernel messages, system logs for consolidated stream of various Linux events. Okay, good. For the bash history, cat bash.history. So as you can see that whenever we need to find some record, we use the cat, and whenever we need to file something from a file itself, we use the we use the grep command. Okay, so now let's come here. It will be very simple, just think in a basic way. So now for this we need to find which version unzip was installed on the system. Okay, second is what flag you see in one of the users bash history. So as I told you, it will be a very easy one. Unzip. Okay, we come here. Now let's check. Here we go, package manager logs and debian system. So what we'll do, we'll copy this first, come here, then paste it. Then what we need, we just grep and unzip to check. Okay, now let's check here. Okay, so we have got permission denied. So as I told you, use cat, or we can use tag as well. And tag will, yes, we got it. So our answer is this one, the version that we're requiring. Control shift copy, come here, here we go, we got it. And for the flag in users bash history, as I told you, what we'll do, we will then check this, come here. Okay, now okay, now let's check. Okay, password, let's check. No, we're not getting it. So what we do, it's very again simple. Rather than going to bash history, what I will do, sudo su apt password. Okay, now let's check. We will give sudo and check if it is possible to get this one. No, then just what we do, we will use the same medicine that they have given us. What? Search the string where this specific string is attached, and where we need to find it, it will be very simple. We need to find this in root directly, dash history ry. Let's go. Here we go, we got it. Not to remember, but just in case, what I need to check, if rather than Ubuntu, what if we have used here a root one? Just checking. Okay, no, we have not access, so we will get our this system as the answer. Okay, now let's go to the task number 5. So in the 5, we are monitoring the runtime. This section I think focuses on system calls and why audit level monitoring matters. So here the system calls. Before moving on, okay, first is you start a program by typing who am I, then your shell start user bin who am I, then third the Linux kernel processes the details and start the execute blah blah blah. Okay, we will just come to the questions. Okay, here are the which Linux system calls is commonly used to execute a program. The answer is here itself in the third process, CVE. Here we go. I think the answer should be right. We will come here. Can a typical program open a file or run a process bypassing system calls? So it means the who am I? We directly get processed without the system calls. This the answer is very simple. No, here we are. The answer is right. Next is using audit daemon. So is a built-in auditing solution often used by SOC team for runtime monitoring. Okay, here we go. Audited rules, what always logs, what follows, what the monitor. Okay, using audit TD, got it. But as you know, we will first go to the questions directly. Now, uh, when was the secret.thm file opened up for the first time? Okay, so now what we'll do, come here, we can use this system as well. File event I file syscon. What we'll do, okay, we will be using this. Now let's check if we are using to get the right answer. Okay, what all the file secret.thm. Okay, if this doesn't work, we are going to use our very basic command. Okay, let's wait. Come here. Okay, then it's not probably working. What we'll do, let's use this with a grep. Okay, I hope I will tell you what this command does. As you know, grep is very good tool. Now let's check. Okay, so now it's telling permission denied. So what we'll do, okay, sudo then check. Okay, now it will work. Okay, so as you know, it will give it's very simple. Come here, what we'll do, we'll copy this, paste it here. Okay, it's not working. Okay, it might, let's then type, you see, search what we need. We are just using the grep one, secret .thm. So as I told you, I think our previous one was not working due to this reason, the root one. Okay, but it's okay, we got our answer. What we are requiring, we are requiring time as well as the minutes. Yeah, then here we go. I will copy this, come here, paste. I think hope we are good to go. Yes, we are good to go. So now to find the second, what is the original file name downloaded from GitHub by wget? Wget process creation is logged with the proc wget key. So for this, what we can do, okay, let's check. Audit process, come here. Okay, the secret.thm. Okay, the path here might be right slash etc slash etc slash ssh. Okay, so I'm not finding this particular thing here. Osys. Okay, what we'll do, check here further if we get anything. Okay, so key here, I think this is the key. but not finding, so that we can use the group as grep command. Okay, so what we will do, we will search. Okay, okay, so it is asking us to use this one. This we know, this is the default one. Let's check with this. Okay. But we wanted to use the grep command as it will be more convenient, but it's okay. Now we have used this. Now let's check where our what you need. Original file name, GitHub white wget. Okay, original file name. Here are the tops. Then check. So this might be a zip, I think. We got dot, and after that there are 3 letters. Okay, now let's check one by one where it is. Any zip file we could find, or exe file if we could find anything. Oh wait, oh here we go. We have, I think we have got it. Now let's check. Okay, yeah, here we go, we got it. So now we are up to the second or third one. Which network range what was scanned using the downloaded tool? There is no dedicated key for this one, but still in audited logs. Okay, so I don't know if you know or not, but the audited records processes the invocations for slash nabu and captures the argument. So we are going to search for the nabu in the audit logs, and probably we will find it. Now let's check. Search then grep NAABU. Now let's go and we'll check. Here we go, we have got it. But now what we need is the range. Okay, simple IP address. Oh, here it is, only one IP address here. Yeah, what we'll do, copy, come here, then we'll paste. Ho, here we go, hooray. So here we have got the answer. So that's it for the video. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you.